Tifa's Limit Break.
That's why I'm doing it.
Card. Snow Vilers, Instant Rama, Leopard Scout, Sage of Noodles, Gaelic Cat. Oh, I'm scuffing it. Oops. Light of Judgment, Outrub, Gran.
Art card?
Art card,
What's the art card? Show the art
Heavy.
card.
Oh!
Sarah!
Who's up?
They do sell.
yeah.
Oh, I think only there's a signature though.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, Signature Gold, yeah.
Yeah, there's a signature gold. The ones I get, the ones I see
Okay.
those
Next.
Dude, Gab can't wait, dude. Okay, tap land.
Oh, that's good for them too.
Bingo!
What's your
Cornered by Black Magic. So that's common again. Or should I
Okay.
mention?
What's the rare, maybe?
Dude, this is why opening together is great.
Cornered by VVs.
Oh, triple try.
Sam hates that card.
Fuck,
They've got it.
Yes, that was FDR.